Hi everybody and welcome to Survival Dads. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Polymath Products Mini Survival Tin. Really cool item I think you're really going to love. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so first up you actually have the tin itself. So it's in a sturdy little tin, really small, pocketable, no worries there. So we're going to open and show you the contents. Okay, so we actually have a instruction booklet. So this can be used obviously to give you an overview of what's actually inside it. Also has instructions on fire lighting, water purification, emergency first aid, food capture, shelter building, navigation and signalling. And if you needed to, you can also burn it, so that's pretty neat. Next up we have a emergency candle. So this can be used for obviously illumination or for assistance in fire lighting. We have a decent amount of paracord, so this is 1 meter, so you can undo this and obviously you actually have the paracord itself, or you can take it apart and use the inner strands as well. Next we have a micro compass, obviously to assist with navigation. Have a compressed towel. This can be used as a fire lighter or for cleaning or first aid, that sort of thing. So just soak it in water and it expands, or you can just undo it for tinder. You have a condom for water carrying purposes. We have a mini fishing kit. So I am not an avid fisherman, but I reckon even I can catch a fish with that in there. Just to give you an overview, that has 2 swivels which are size 10, 8 meters of fishing line of 6-pound breaking strength, 2 fishing hooks which are size 10, split shot weights, 2 safety pins, brass eye, worm and maggot lures and a glow stick. So that can be used again for catching fish or possibly repairing gear with the fishing line. So pretty neat, cool little tin, I like it. Next up we have a micro torch. So that can be used for emergency signalling purposes or just finding your way around the kit or around the camp. Then we have a really cool, neat little item. Is a ferrocerium rod here, a striker for the ferro rod, and also a whistle. So that's useful for a number of different things. Next we have a sewing kit, so repairing gear in the field, always good to have. Don't fancy sewing myself up if I hurt myself though. Next we have the first aid component in here. And we have inside 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 water purification tablets. So obviously that will provide you with 10 litres of clean, safe drinking water. Should last a little while. You have a pre-injection swab, so this is made out of alcohol, or it's infused with alcohol, so that can be used for fire lighting purposes or for minor first aid, keeping those cuts and abrasions nice and clean. Then we have some Meflex tape, so this is used as a wound or a cut sealant, so a bit like stereo strips. You can cut this up and use it as you need to. Then last but no means least, please bugger off, ant. If I can get it out, 1 second. There we go, we have a signal mirror. Hey. So obviously this can be used for checking for ticks in more intimate areas, for example, or used to signal if necessary. So there you go, that is what is inside the kit. Give me a second, I'll put it all back and then I'll talk about something which you can add to it. So now that you've seen the contents, I'll give you some quick dimensions. So it weighs in total 100 grams. So again, if it's in your pocket, you're not going to notice it's in there. Dimensions are 96 millimeters by 62 millimeters by 22 millimeters. And obviously this is all made in the UK by Polymath Products themselves. So I think the kit is awesome. It really does cover a lot of bases and is something which can be really useful in major or minor emergencies. But there's a few things I think you could add to make it just a little bit better, which is something you can do yourself. So they actually encourage you to take the kit apart, learn it, and add things as and when necessary to suit you. So sort of things I've added. I have added a small scalpel blade. So this is a sterile blade. Can be used as a cutting tool to use to get splinters out, that sort of thing. So that fits in there, takes up zero room at all, look at it, so thin. So I'll add one of them. I'll add some rehydration powder. So if you're anything like me, you're pretty used to staying hydrated. So having something like this is really good for those long, hot summer camps. And then last but not means least, I put a blister plaster in. So a really small bit of first aid, which can really make a difference if you have one of those really nasty blisters. So there we go. Hopefully this video has been useful to you. If it has, be sure to leave a like and be sure to check out Polymath products as well. I'll leave the link in the description as always. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you soon.